The short answer is no. A lot of people and a lot of attorneys will tell you that you need an expert, and I get asked all the time when custody is a contested issue in a case, well, where's your expert? You don't need one. You know your kids better than an expert is going to know your kids, then I'm going to know your kids, and then the other attorney is going to know your kids. So you know what your children need, and you can talk about what your kids need. You can talk about the factors that are listed in our statute, like the ability to communicate and cooperate with the other parent, the needs of your individual children. Every child has different needs, extracurricular needs, schooling needs, all of that, and you're going to know that best, and your testimony is really going to be the most convincing to a judge. So I strongly encourage clients in most cases not to get experts. The only time that I think that you need an expert is if you have an older child where their preference may matter. A lot of times that's not going to come into court in any way other than through the report of an expert, because your child's not going to testify in court and you're not going to be allowed to testify to what your child actually wants. And the other circumstance is if a parent is truly unfit. But I say that with a word of caution, because unfit is a very strong term in our community, and the person has to be very, very unfit. It's not your typical, oh, he sleeps in and doesn't care for the kids in the morning, he doesn't make the kids breakfast. It's sometimes not even he's doing something extreme like drinking too much alcohol or she's abusing drugs. It's something really, really significant and probably has other involvement like DCP&P or the police as well. That's when maybe you need an expert to talk about those things. But again, if you have those other agencies, you still might not.